A Florida man pulled over for reckless driving is accused of telling a Martin County deputy he had coronavirus and then coughing on them. The sheriff's office says the deputy gave the man a protective mask to cover his mouth when he claimed to have coronavirus. Then the deputy says the man pulled the mask down and started coughing in the direction of the deputy. The sheriff's office did not say if the man actually has COVID-19, but he now faces multiple charges, including driving under the influence and driving without a license. Katie Johnston for CBSMiami.com.